What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my DIY butter that has helped my hair grow super fast. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using: fenugreek seed, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, honey, wild growth oil, olive oil, and shea butter. So what you're going to do first is grab you a pot, put some boiling water, and place another bowl on top, and you're going to start adding your shea butter inside so that it can start to melt. So you're going to continue to stir it, and then this isn't the next step, but I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So I'm going to be getting like half a cup of fenugreek seeds, and I'm going to add steaming hot water into it so that it can, I guess you can say, steep the seeds. Like anything that's in the seeds is going to come out, you know, like when you do tea. So you're going to do that, and you're going to let that sit for an hour. I have some in a bowl already that I was letting sit out for an hour, but we're not going to add that into our shea butter just yet because we're going to let it sit a little bit longer. But as you do let the fenugreek seeds sit in water, they are going to get bigger in size. Here you can see the difference. The ones that I just put in hot water are really small, and the ones that were sitting are getting bigger. So this is what our shea butter looks like. We're gonna go ahead and insert some coconut oil. Next, we're gonna add some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm not measuring this out, I just needed something to pour into. I don't really go by measurements, I just go by eye. But that's how much Jamaican black castor oil I'm putting in. Then I'm going to be adding some wild growth oil. In my previous concoction that I made, because this is my second time making this, I never added the wild growth oil, so I feel like this time is going to be a really good batch that I'm making for growth of my hair. So then I'm going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil. I literally added 1/4 cup of that because I feel like extra virgin olive oil is really good for your hair. And then I'm going to use 100% raw honey, and I'm going to put that in there. I really love honey in my hair. It makes my hair super duper soft. That's exactly why I added it into this mixture. So this is what the mixture looks like without the fenugreek seeds in it just yet. It literally looks like liquid gold. And ladies and gentlemen, this is hair gold. Like, I guarantee you it's gonna help your hair grow. So the next step is to just add the water that we let the fenugreek seeds sit in. Add it into the mixture. I didn't add too much because I don't want the mixture to be liquidy. Remember, we want to whip it up and make a butter. So then you just want to mix it up and let it sit for like a good 5 minutes on low heat. And just to let you guys know, this was on I guess you can say a level 6 heat. That's what I had the shea butter and everything else sitting on, but for this you can put it at a 2. So next we're gonna have ice in a bowl, and you're going to sit the mixture in there so that it can cool down and it's easier for you to whip it up. So I'm going to be using my electronic manual whippy thing, and I'm just gonna whip it. And as you continue to whip, the consistency of the mixture will get thicker. You just have to keep going, and I feel like the ice really helps because it was sitting on top of boiling hot water, so it's going to cool it down. So after like 10 to 12 minutes of consistently whipping and increasing the speed on the manual whipper, you can see the consistency has gotten thicker and much more butter-like, and once it cools down completely, it will be a full butter. So once I finish, and I like the consistency. I'm going to place it in my container where I had previously made my first batch the first time, and whatever is left over, I'm just going to add it into another container. But y'all, look at this consistency. Like, this butter is truly amazing. So now that I showed you guys how to make the butter, this is how I apply it into my hair. I actually have 2 videos, my daily moisturizing routine and my finger coiling video that is coming out this week. Feel free to check it out. It's a really nice butter. It has a very smooth consistency and it just slides through your hair and just like glides through it and keeps your hair moisturized. I don't use any gel. Like, I really do love this product. Just look at my curls, at how well it treats my hair. Alright guys, so that is how you put the butter in your hair. Like, I literally used a little bit of butter. It doesn't stink or anything. I mean, you can put some essential oils in there if you like, but you know, it has a very smooth consistency. You've seen how it makes my hair like pop. I don't use any gel in my hair as far as this hairstyle goes because it just doesn't need it. Like, my hair is literally moisturized the whole week when I use this product. So I just want to quickly show you guys my growth. So back in May, I'm gonna enter the picture. Back in May, my hair was kind of by where my lashes are. Now it's literally like tapping the tip of my nose. And I feel like once I continue to use this product, it should be past it. So I'm gonna keep using it and I'll keep you guys updated. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, peace.